On the bottom end of the Lenovo Ideapad lineup, there's the Ideapad S145 that is going to target a wide variety of people. Priced only $299 at the time of this review, Ideapad S145 laptop is going to appeal more to students and people that prefer to stay on the budget. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the review. Now let's do a quick unboxing. In the box we have Ideapad S145 laptop, charging cord, power adapter, quick start guide, and warranty information. Now let's look at the specs. The laptop is powered by AMD's 2nd generation Ryzen 5-3500U quad-core processor, 8GB DDR4 RAM, 15.6-inch Full HD LED-Backlit Display, 256GB NVMe SSD hard drive, 802.11 AC dual-band Wi-Fi, plus Bluetooth 4.2, built-in 720 webcam and microphone, and comes with Windows Home 10 Edition and weighs only 4.7 pounds. Starting at just 4.7 pounds, the Ideapad S145 laptop is designed to go wherever life takes you. The laptop offers clean and modern look. The laptop's build material is all plastic, and it is understandable considering its price point. First impression from a visual standpoint is good when compared to any other laptop in this price category. What sets Ideapad S145 apart from the competition is its 180-degree hinge. You always find your perfect viewing angle. There's some flex to the body, and Ideapad S145's 15-inch screen needs a little help from other hand when you open the lid up. The Lenovo Ideapad S145 features 2 USB 3.1 ports, 1 USB 2 port, HDMI port, and on the other side we have headphone and microphone jack combo and a memory card reader. Lenovo Ideapad S145 comes with 720p resolution camera with built-in microphone, and following is a video quality of the webcam. The camera's picture quality is enough for video calls like Skype, but that's about it. Overall, Ideapad S145 has a design that is simple and clean, and smooth plastic body hides fingerprints very well. The Ideapad S145 display has thin bezels, and our unit came with 15.6-inch screen. The full HD resolution lets you view content in vibrant clarity, and LED backlight provide a thinner and more energy-efficient screen. The Ideapad S145's visuals are handled by AMD Vega 8 graphics. Watching YouTube or Netflix 4K content looks really good, and this display works very well in low light conditions. As far as the brightness concerned, it comes in around 220 nits, which is on the low side, means laptop screen is only good for indoor use. The Ideapad S145's keyboard is good for longer typing experience. It does not quite reach the quality of Lenovo ThinkPads or more expensive Ideapad models. The pressure point is quite noticeable, and the feedback of the key is a little bit stiff. On the other hand, the key size and arrangement are very good, and there's not an option for backlit keyboard. As far as the touchpad concerned, it is a regular size touchpad, and it is not a precision touchpad, and it makes a lot of clicking. In the performance section, our Ideapad S145 is equipped with AMD RYZEN 5-3500U processor. The processor has 4 cores with base clock speed of 2.1 GHz and a maximum clock speed of 3.7 GHz. The processor is rated for 15 watts and based on 12nm technology. The processor is used in mainstream and 2-in-1 laptops. Its performance is sufficient for everyday general usage and office tasks. It can also handle very well some more demanding stuff as well, such as video editing. Our unit scored 1,447 points in Cinebench multi-thread CPU performance benchmark, running at 2.1 GHz, which is 25% better than Intel's 8th generation Core i5-8265U processor. The processor is slightly faster than its previous generation Ryzen 5-2500U processor as expected. And in CPU Z benchmark, laptop scored 2,087 points in multi-thread and 385 points in single-thread applications. In the storage solution, Lenovo Ideapad S145 offers excellent read and write rates that are well over average in its class. Our unit scored 1,854 megabits per second read and 903 megabits per second write in SSD benchmark, thanks to its M.2 256GB NVMe SSD. In the graphics, laptop is powered by AMD Vega 8 processor. It's not powerful as dedicated video card, but Vega 8 can provide a very decent gaming experience in many of the popular titles, but also great for popular multiplayer titles like Fortnite, Overwatch, or Rocket League. The Lenovo Ideapad S145 comes with 802.11ac wireless card, which supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual band. In the audio, the Ideapad S145 speakers are passable. They get loud enough to fill a medium-sized room, but the sound they output is hollow and lifeless. The Ideapad S145 stays remarkably cool during our testing. The hottest location of the laptop is the underside, reached 85 degrees Fahrenheit after we played a full HD YouTube for 15 minutes. That is well below our 95 degrees comfort threshold. The touchpad reached only 65 degrees, and the center of the keyboard reached only 75 degrees. In the battery life department, Ideapad S145 has 35 Wh battery unit. The 35 Wh battery can provide between 4 to 5 hours of runtime, but Lenovo claims battery should last 4.5 hours. 4.5 hours of runtime is not the best, but enough for students for on-campus projects or taking notes during classes. The laptop comes with 65 Wh power supply, and it is small and light enough to carry around in the backpack. When it comes to upgradeability, Lenovo allows you to upgrade some of the components. You can access the laptop motherboard by removing the screws from the back cover. You need to be careful while removing the back cover with the proper tool, but the process is very simple. You can replace or add a bigger M.2 form factor hard drive, or you can also add additional second hard drive, which is a 2.5 form factor SATA hard drive with available hard drive mounting space. The RAM is also upgradable. There's only one available RAM slot hidden under the metal cover. You can access it by removing the metal cover. Laptop comes with 8GB total RAM, out of which 4GB RAM is soldered to the motherboard, another 4GB can be replaced, and allows up to 12GB of total RAM. In the CPU cooling department, we have single heat pipe with heatsink and a single fan. You cannot hear the fan during the general usage, but temperature never crossed 90 degrees Celsius during our test, which means cooling is sufficient enough to keep the laptop temperature under control during gaming or CPU-intensive workloads. The Lenovo Ideapad S145 laptop is a good overall performance machine. I wasn't expecting very much from the Ideapad S145 going into this review, but I'm pleasantly surprised by the performance of the system. The AMD processor in particular offers better CPU and GPU performance than the 8th generation Intel Core i5 processors. The casual gamers who like to throw in a game or two of Rocket League or LOL in between classes will find the AMD Vega 8 to be much more powerful for their needs. The Lenovo Ideapad S145 is an excellent buy for under $300. I would absolutely recommend it for anyone who's in the market for a decent looking and a decent built, budget-friendly consumer laptop. Let me know what you guys think of Lenovo Ideapad S145 laptop in the comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.